Electromagnet. This video will briefly explain the process of electromagnets. Materials needed: hand gloves, copper wire, AA battery, iron nail, paper clips, electric tape. Procedure: wrap the copper wire into the nail. Leave at least 2 inches on both ends of the copper wire. Try not to overlap the wire. Attach each end of the copper wire onto both sides of the battery. Use electric tape to seal it up. Now, you have an electromagnet. Put the point of the nail near the paper clips, and it should pick them up. Notice that when you put the nail near the paper clips, the nail picked up and moved the paper clips. The battery supplies the electric current flowing through the wire and creating a magnetic field around the coil of wire. The coil of wire acts as a magnet when electric current flows through the wire. When you detach the copper wire, the coil doesn't act like a magnet anymore. This is called an electromagnet. This is the same concept for devices when you turn on and off function. You can control the current flow when you turn the device on and off.